Alright, YouTube, how's it going? Oh, it feels so strange saying it that way. Alright, guys. So, the last two videos, the first video I showed you how to use a shader to dissolve slash fade, and the second video I showed you how to keyframe the disable and render viewport. So, as soon as I made that video, I knew this would happen. Why didn't you just use the alpha channel? Now, I'd made a video 6 or 7 months ago that kind of covered this, but I'll repeat it and I'll kind of jazz it up a little bit as much as I can. So I'm going to select the object. Now I'm in Eevee. I'll go to the materials and you can see here I have an alpha channel. So on frame 1 I'll right click and I'll insert a keyframe. On frame 40 I'll put it down to 0. I'll right click and insert a keyframe there. And you can see here that it actually dissolves on and off. Now we're going to have the black issue again, and that's because of the blend mode. If I change this to an alpha blend, it should work fine. And you can also see here we kind of have polygons shown in the background, and that's because show backface is enabled. So that works fine, it's keyframed. If I want to change the shadow mode, I'll probably put it to an alpha clip or an alpha hash. I'll make it hashed, and that works fine. And that's pretty much using the alpha channel. Very simple. So just to kind of jazz it up a little bit, I'll jump into the shading tab. I'll add in something like a texture, and let's use a wave texture. And I'll take the factor and I'll plug this into the alpha. And what I can do here is you can kind of see that it creates the waves. You can obviously change the distortion. This is great for doing a wood effect as well. I'll jump back into layout and we have something like this. And that's pretty much how you use an alpha channel. Do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, it costs you absolutely nothing. Follow me on Twitter, you know what to do. Take care.